Hi, I'm Vijay Patisipu. I'm an attorney with the Gomez Law Firm. Recently, the Federal Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals handed down the case of Gonzalez versus CoreCivic, an important case. I helped represent Marta Gonzalez in this case. What we found is that many private detention centers operated by the federal government that house immigration detainees, in other words, people waiting for their immigration hearings. They've not been charged with any crime. They're just waiting indefinitely for their hearings, have been subjected to harsh conditions. We found that many detainees were made to work all day doing landscaping and cleaning work, physical work, hard work, for $1 a day. And this wasn't voluntary work either. We found that many of these detainees, if they refused to do this work, were subjected to harsher conditions. Smaller confinement areas, even denied supplies and basic hygiene items. What the Fifth Circuit and now the 11th Circuit, so Texas, Louisiana, and also the southeastern United States, what these courts have found is that the TVPA applies to these private detention centers. The TVPA is the Trafficking Victims Protection Act, and that is a federal law against human trafficking. These courts found that these detention centers are actually committing labor trafficking by these actions. So if you or someone you know has been detained at one of these detention centers operated by CoreCivic or Geo Group or another company like that, you may want to talk to an attorney about what human rights may have been at issue here and what their options may be, as well as possible implications for their immigration hearings, because victims of human trafficking and labor trafficking, that matters in applying for a visa to stay in this country. So you may want to talk to an attorney about those issues.